Often, new Ryker owners ask how to learn to ride the Ryker at highway speed. So what we need to do is take baby steps so we can increase our comfort zone on the highway.
So let's get on this highway. The Ryker really picks up and can get up to speed quickly. We just went from 0 to 60 with a turn back there in a matter of seconds. I'm gonna get in front of this van and I'm gonna take this exit here and I'm gonna slow down and I'm gonna show you how taking access roads when you are a little bit apprehensive of going on the highway is the easiest thing to do to get used to highway speeds. So right now I'm doing 55 and everybody up on the highway is doing 70 and 75. I'm on the access road. I'm gonna get up on this highway for a short spurt. Now see, all the traffic that left the light back there when I got on back in town is already far ahead of me. There's nobody behind me right now, and you can see how far away everybody is from in front of me. And here I am, I'm doing 70 in a 75. The thing is, I don't have to do the speed limit when I'm on the highway. I can be in the molasses lane because it's the slow lane. So here comes another access road. We're gonna get off this access road and we're gonna take it easy because that's what we want to do. We want to take it easy. We want to ride our own ride. We're not gonna let anybody push us outside of our riding limits. Right now I'm doing 46 up the access ramp. Coming up on a yield sign, I have to yield to the ramps. There's a car coming off the ramp, but I'm good. I sped up to 68 so I can get out of his way. If I was going any slower, I would be able to practice yielding. I could get back on the highway right here if I want to,
But I'm a little bit
apprehensive of riding my Ryker on the highway, so I'm going to continue on the access road. I'm going to get around this truck on this access road right here. Speed limit is 50. I'm doing 53 miles an hour and everybody on the highway is going a lot faster than me. So what I'm going to do, once I get comfortable doing this, I'm going to get on the highway here for a short spurt. I'm going to make sure it's okay to get on. It is. I'm very clear. The speed limit here is 60 miles an hour. And like I said, people in Texas like go 15 miles per hour over the speed limit. Let's see how fast they're passing me. Check that out. They're not dropping it down to 60 because 60 is not really the speed limit here in Texas. Speed limit's 70 or 75 on the highway. I did my little highway short spurt and now I'm going to get off the highway again. And I'm going to slow it down because, man, that little bit of highway really made me nervous, made me apprehensive about driving on the highway. So I'm going to get off and I'm going to take it easy for a while. I'll calm my nerves a bit. I gotta watch here now. This is where my motorcycle riding skills come into play. I have to watch and I have to yield to other traffic that might be getting off and coming into my path. I'm good, there's nobody there. But here I am. I just got off of the highway onto the access road again. Every ride is a practice ride. I'm gonna get up here and I'm gonna go cross this bridge up here and I'm gonna go back the opposite direction. That way I can practice all my riding skills going both left and right. So here I am. A pleasure is what I'm doing. Get on this road, cross this bridge. I've got a green light. Now there's no one around right now. So I'm going 50 miles an hour and I'm gonna just hit the brakes and slow down as quickly as I can. And stop. Nobody around. I can do that right here. I'm going to do it again. I'm going 50 miles an hour. I'm going to brake in through the turn. I can do that on the Ryker just like I can on a car. You can trust not just the Ryker, but you've got to learn to trust your own skills on the Ryker. We're going to get on the highway here. Going 64 miles an hour, approaching a highway that is 75 miles per hour. Make sure nobody's coming down there. I'm gonna make sure I'm clear coming on the highway here. I'm gonna get on. I'm going 76, 77. Here's the next exit that I'm going to take, but I'm gonna get off the highway up here right now and take the access road again. Get beyond this car. I don't want to travel in their blind spot. I'm gonna change lanes. Speed limit's 45 and I'm doing 60, so I gotta slow down. Here I am, taking the access road, checking out traffic on the highway down here. I'm going 60, 64, speed limit is 75. I'm 84 now because it's me and not you who's practicing, I'm going to take this exit here. Whew, okay, I did my short spurt on the highway at highway speed. Boy, that was thrilling. I'm finally getting used to doing highway speed on my Ryker. I'm getting better at this, is what the new Ryker rider is thinking about. Now here's another thing that I can do right now. I can go across this bridge and I can turn around and go back the opposite direction and do some more practice. See that? Getting on the highway again, signaling my entrance with my turn signal on. I'm looking behind me, making sure nobody's coming. I'm doing 80 miles an hour into 75. I'm going to take the Ryker up to more speed because I love it so much. I'm doing 91, 92, 93. My throttle is not on all the way, but it sure is picking up some speed quick. I love the Ryker. It's a great bike. Now, okay, I'm on the highway again, and I'm going to take this exit just to get some practice in. Woo! Okay, I got up to highway speed once again. I sure did. I'm getting better at this as a new Can Am Ryker rider. And I'm telling you, the importance of a wheel balance properly done and a laser alignment on the Ryker is what you need to have done to your Ryker. Because at highway speed, without a proper wheel balance and a laser alignment, this thing is not going to track straight down the road, and it probably will scare the hell out of you. You have to get those things done, the wheel balance and the laser alignment. So here I am again. I'm looking behind me, making sure I'm okay to get on. Speed limit is 75. I'm doing 77. I'm going to get into this left lane because I want to go straight. There's a dead deer back there, been there for 2 weeks. Speed limit decreases to 60 up here, so I'm going to start backing it down. The local police like to patrol this area sometimes. Every once in a while you see a car pulled over. So there we have it. We went down the road, we did our access road, and we did our highway get on and get off. We came to highway speed and we practiced. That's what we did. We practiced riding the Ryker on the highway by using the access roads.
If you watched this video this far, that means you must have enjoyed it, and I hope you like it and subscribe to the channel to see more.